In today's vlog, you will see that the weather is extremely cold. I have covered the cat's cage properly, and in the area where they eat, I placed a carpet and clothes so the cold from the ground doesn't affect them. Despite all this, the small rescued kitten often comes out of the cage and sits in a separate place. At the moment he is sleeping, which is actually a very good thing because it's very cold today. Usually whenever any family member goes outside, this kitten starts following us, and I'm glad that he is resting today. Tiger is not feeling well, as I mentioned in my last video. He often goes outside. Today when he came back, he looked worried and kept sitting quietly. And Oreo is searching for something, maybe birds or something else. Bruno, on the other hand, is playing around. She came out of her room and is very active today. She is female cat and extremely cute. I have shared her videos before as well. As I told you earlier, she is a guest cat staying with us for a few days for boarding, and she will be leaving soon. The black and white kitten, a baby of Salma, and Salma does not like other kittens at all. She usually scares them away and keeps them at a distance. Our rescue kitten sadly has grown up without his mother, so he does not understand who is safe and who could be dangerous. He does not know who truly cares for him. He goes to Salma, thinking she might be friendly, maybe like a mother, but Salma scares him away. She does not hit or fight him, she only scares him. Some things similar happened today as well. When the rescued kitten went near Salma, she chased him away. It's actually very interesting and emotional to watch, and you will enjoy seeing to it. You will also see two small kittens playing together and enjoying themselves. They have so much fun together, but there is a clear difference between them. One kitten, my rescued kitten, grew up without a mother, while the black and white kitten was raised as and trained by his mother. The difference between them is
She is
very
not your
noticeable.
mother. Don't mess.
The same happens with humans too. Children raised with the parents and those without parents
It's
often
not
show a
Tom,
clear
it's
difference
Salma.
in behavior and confidence. This rescued kitten does not understand cold or heat yet. He does not know who is good or bad. He runs towards everyone because he just wants love and affection. He has no one, so he is always searching for love. But today I feel he has started to understand that he should not go near Salma after being scared. As long as Salma stayed there and they did not come close, when she left, they slowly returned to their places. I try my best to keep the rescued kitten inside the cage, but I can't keep it closed all the time because he needs to go out for later and moment. Food is not an issue. I can place it inside the cage, but his little friend, the black and white kitten, often comes to him and it makes him feel better. I think they have become good friends now and will stay close to each other. Regarding the rescued kitten's eyes, I told you earlier that he had an eye infection. Thankfully, with your prayers, he is much better now. The doctor had suggested that surgery might be needed because more than half of his eyes were covered. But eye drops made a huge difference. I apply the drops three to four times a day, and his condition has improved a lot. I am truly truly grateful that surgery was not needed. So now let's watch them together, enjoy their little mischiefs, and please keep praying for these cats so they stay peaceful, playful, and healthy. And I can continue taking care of them and feeding them with love.